We are here to show you how easy it is to install the Crytal Clear automatic heated wiper blades system. The first step in the installation process is to install the thermo control module. In the kit, you will find the thermal control module, alcohol prep pad, wire ties, and several sized ring terminal connectors. Remove the alcohol prep pad from the pouch. Thoroughly clean the area where the thermal control module is to be installed. It is recommended that the thermal control module be installed in an area that is close to the windshield. Remove the 3M paper backing from the thermal control module and press the adhesive side of the thermal control module to the previously cleaned surface. Unwrap the power and ground wires from the thermal control module and route them to the vehicle's battery. The kit comes with several sized ring terminals. Please determine what size is appropriate for your vehicle based on where it is being connected to. Crimp the selected ring terminals to the power and ground wires. Connect the red power wire to the positive side of the vehicle's battery and connect the black wire to the negative side of the vehicle's battery. Using the supplied wire ties, please ensure that all wires are secure and away from all heated and moving parts. Now it is time to route your thermal control module wiper blade connection wires to your vehicle's wiper blade arms. Connect the automatic heated wiper blades to your vehicle's wiper blade arms. Please refer to the supplied instruction manual to determine your vehicle's connection, as it varies from vehicle to vehicle. Connect the wiper blade wire to the control module wire by pushing the connectors together until you hear a click. Remove the supplied 3M mounting strips from the wiper blade package. The 3M mounting strips can be cut to size based on the diameter of your wiper blade arms. Remove the backing from the 3M mounting strips and secure the wire to the wiper blade arm. Based on the length of the wiper blade arm, you may require 2 to 3 strips to properly secure the wire. When installing the mounting strips, it is very important that the wiper blade arms are in the upright position when securing the wiper blade wire to the wiper blade arm. Congratulations! Your installation is now complete. For information on Crytal Clear automatic heated wiper blades, please go to www.crystalclearblades.com.